Hi, good morning. I am SangeethaPriya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Sivapuram, Pudukottai. Today we are going to see about the topic is Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC model, a framework that describes the activities performed at each stage of software development project. The first one is waterfall model. Requirements defines need, information, function, behavior, performance, and interfaces. Design data structures, software architecture, interface representations, algorithmic details. Implementation source code, database, user documentation, testing. Waterfall deficiencies. All requirements must be known upfront. Deliverables created for each phase are considered frozen. Can give a false impression of progress. Does not reflect problem solving nature of software development. Integration is one big bang at the end. Little opportunity for customer to preview the system. When to use the waterfall model. Requirements are very well known. Product definition is stable. Technology is understood. New version of an existing product. Porting an existing product to a new platform. V-shaped SDLC model, a variant of the waterfall that emphasizes the verification and validation of the product. Testing of the product is planned in parallel with a corresponding pace of development. V-shaped steps, project and requirements planning, product requirements and specification, architecture or high-level design, detailed design, protection, operation and maintenance, system and acceptance testing, integration and testing, unit testing, coding. When to use the V-shaped model? Excellent choice for system requiring high reliability. All requirements are known. Changing requirements beyond analysis phase. Solution and technology are known. Structured evolutionary prototyping model. Developers build a prototype during the requirement phase. Prototype is evaluated by end users. Users give corrective feedback. Developers further refine the prototype. When the user is satisfied, the prototype code is brought up to the standards needed for a final product. When to use structured evolutionary prototyping. Requirements are unstable or have to be clarified. As the requirements clarification stage of a waterfall model, develop user interfaces, short-lived demonstrations, new original development with the analysis and design portions of object-oriented development. Rapid application model, requirements planning phase, user description phase, construction phase, cut over phase. When to use RAD, reasonably well known requirements, user involved throughout the life cycle. Project can be time boxed, functionality delivered in increments, high performance not required, low technical risks. System can be modularized. Incremental SDLC model. Construct a partial implementation of a total system, then slowly add increased functionality. The incremental model prioritizes requirements of the system and then implements them in groups. Each subsequent release of the system adds function to the previous release until all designed functionality has been implemented. When to use the incremental model? Risk, funding, schedule, program complexity, or need for early realization of benefits. Most of the requirements are known upfront but are expected to evolve over time. A need to get basic functionality to the market yearly on projects which have lengthy development schedules. On a project with a new technology, Spiral SDLC model adds risk analysis and a Fourier RAD prototyping to the waterfall model. Each cycle involves the same sequence of steps as the waterfall process model. When to use the spiral model? When creation of a prototype is appropriate, when cost and risk evaluation is important for medium to high risk projects. Long term project commitment unwise because of potential changes to economic priorities. Users are unsure of their needs, requirements are complex, new product line, significant changes are expected. Thank you.